Hi, I'm Claire, and I make whimsical woodworking creations. I'm usually inspired by shapes and structures found in nature, but mostly I just try to follow a sense of magic in whatever I create, because creating things has always been my favorite thing to do. These next couple months, I'll be doing my woodworking residency at Maker Labs, where I'll be experimenting with new tools and trying to bring some of my stranger ideas to life. Here is my inspiration for my first build, so follow along if you'd like to see what it turns into, and I'll see you soon.